Hey there, garden lovers! Do you ever feel like your backyard is just a little too exposed? Maybe the neighbors are too close, or you just want a peaceful green screen around your patio? Today, we're diving into 8 fast-growing plants that will transform your fence line into a lush, private retreat. Whether you love vines, shrubs, or vertical climbers, there's something here that grows fast and blocks views beautifully. Let's jump in. First up is clumping bamboo. But before you panic, we're not talking about the aggressive spreading type. Clumping bamboo, like Bambusa multiplex, is a non-invasive variety that grows quickly and tall, perfect for fences. Within just a couple of years, you can have a living green wall that sways gently in the breeze. It loves warm climates and thrives in USDA zones 8 to 11. It can reach 12 to 20 feet tall, giving you that instant privacy you've been dreaming of. It also adds a tropical, zen-like feel to any garden space. Water it regularly and give it some sunshine, and you'll be amazed how fast it fills in. And bonus, once established, bamboo is drought-tolerant and low-maintenance. A privacy dream. If you're looking for a classic evergreen that grows like a rocket, meet Thuja green giant. This tall, pyramidal tree is a favorite for privacy hedges, and for good reason. It can grow up to 3 feet per year. It thrives in zones 5 to 9, and once mature, it can reach heights of 20 to 40 feet. But don't worry, it can also be pruned to your desired size. Its dense foliage creates a natural privacy curtain that blocks wind, noise, and wandering eyes. Plant them about 5 feet apart for a solid wall effect. They love full sun, but can tolerate part shade. And the best part, they're disease-resistant and stay green all year round. Privet is another fast-growing shrub that's perfect for fences. With dense, glossy foliage and fragrant white flowers in spring, it's both practical and beautiful. This shrub thrives in zones 5 through 8 and can grow 2 to 3 feet per year. It's often used for formal hedges, but you can let it grow more naturally if you prefer a wild, cottage-style look. Trim it once or twice a year, and it'll maintain a tidy shape. It tolerates different soil types and even some drought, making it one of the easiest privacy plants to grow. If you'd rather go vertical, Clematis montana is a flowering vine that grows incredibly fast and looks stunning on fences or trellises. This vigorous climber loves zones 6 to 9 and can shoot up 20 to 30 feet in just a few seasons. In spring, it explodes with delicate pink or white blooms, creating a fragrant wall of color. It needs something to climb on, so attach it to a trellis or fence. Give it sun on the top and shade on its roots, and this beauty will reward you with a breathtaking privacy screen. Want privacy and pollinators? Trumpet Vine is your friend. With its bright orange or red trumpet-shaped flowers, it not only covers fences quickly, it also attracts hummingbirds like crazy. Best for zones 4 to 9, this vigorous vine can grow up to 30 feet or more. It clings to surfaces naturally, so it's perfect for wood or wire fences. But be warned, it grows fast, and I mean fast. Keep it in check with annual pruning, and you'll be rewarded with a stunning flower-covered fence in no time. Looking for evergreen charm with cheerful blooms? Carolina Jessamine is a beautiful option. It's native to the southeastern U.S. and offers golden yellow flowers in early spring. Ideal for zones 7 to 9, it can grow up to 20 feet long and is semi-evergreen in milder climates. It winds easily along fences, trellises, or arbors. This plant is relatively low maintenance and tolerates heat, humidity, and poor soil. Just give it some sun, and it'll reward you with privacy and sunshine-colored blossoms. Star Jasmine is another evergreen vine with incredible fragrance. It grows quickly and fills fences with glossy leaves and star-shaped white flowers. Perfect for zones 8 to 10, it's a favorite in warmer climates. It needs support to climb, but once it gets going, it spreads rapidly and thickly. It thrives in both sun and part shade, and once established, it's drought-tolerant. The sweet scent makes it a joy to sit near on warm evenings. Last but not least is honeysuckle. This classic vine not only grows fast, it adds old-fashioned charm to your fence line. In zones 4 to 9, honeysuckle varieties like Lonicera japonica or Lonicera sempervirens can stretch 15 to 20 feet in just a couple of seasons. They offer sweetly scented flowers that attract bees and birds. Honeysuckle prefers full sun, and once planted, it pretty much grows itself. A little trimming is all it needs to stay in shape. It's a beautiful way to add privacy and pollinators to your garden. So there you have it, 8 fast-growing plants that can turn your fence into a lush, private paradise. Whether you want flowering vines, evergreen hedges, or tropical flair, there's something here for every style and climate. Which one will you plant first? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another gardening tip. See you next time!